An industrial ballet in motion. The robotic body shop welds the Hilux Revo with unmatched speed and precision.
Crane 1, lift initiated.
Roger, ground is clear. Coil status updated.
Dimensional accuracy confirmed. Approved for paint shop transfer. The electrocoating process is crucial. A precise 320 volts ensures the anti-corrosion paint bonds uniformly.
The intricate nervous system of the Hilux Revo comes to life. Precision is paramount, as the wiring harnesses are secure.
Test complete. All parameters green. Proceed to dynamic testing.
Okay, adjusting front right camber now.
Holding at 0.01. Looks good. Lock it down.
NOx levels stable. CO and particulates within tolerance.
Confirmed. Logging results now.
Subjected to 80 liters of high-pressure water every minute, the Hilux sealing is absolute. The interior remains perfectly dry.
4 confirms system pass. Proceeding to staging.
Unit 47, pull into lane A12. Confirm destination code 3-Sierra. Over.
We've optimized the body shop welding sequence right here.
The quality audit data confirms a 20% reduction in defects this quarter.
Looks good. We're hitting the 98% target. Confirmed. Confirmed.
Ensure the torque is within the specified range on the display. Now you try the sequence carefully.
Tack time just hit the target in chassis assembly.
Confirmed. Yield percentage is holding steady at 98.
Calibration successful. We have 0.005 millimeters deviation.
Confirmed. Finalize the sequence.
Torque sequence complete.
Confirmed on screen. Ready for production.
We finished the run on the Revo chassis. Next up is drivetrain install.
Understood. Let's keep the line moving smoothly.
The AGV delivers the completed kit, synchronizing supply precisely with the production tempo.
Spectrum analysis looks clean.
Drivetrain resonance is nominal.
It's a pass.
The ADS alignment is complete. Values are holding steady at 0.
Confirmed. Let's clear the bay.
Thân điện thẳng, thân trọng lúc này xài dinh dàng chỉ. Pi chậu cứ bên thăng kiện, thế quyền trải nhớ pi khẳng.
Yes, confirming arrival for the Revo shipment at Dar es Salaam. We need to expedite customs clearance.
Check the left rear suspension data. It's holding steady.
Looks good. I'm starting the timer now.
These digital boards track our quality gates in real time. The green indicator confirms we are exceeding the audit reference targets.
Very impressive precision.
From the earliest designs to the latest Revo, precision engineering has defined the Hilux production timeline for generations. The welding robotics are showing a peak load.
Rerousing power now. Confirmed, we are now within the optimized threshold.
Logging complete. Humidity at 45%. Stable.
Acknowledged. Sealing panel now.
This tolerance here on the Revo chassis panel is still showing yellow.
If we adjust the welding sequence like this, it resolves the stress point.
Yes, that turns green. Alignment confirmed.
robot joint reducer is showing an amber alert on the heat map.
We initiated the parameter adjustment sequence.
Confirmed. Vibrations.
The orange peel effect is significantly reduced after the airflow adjustment.
The simulation matches the live data perfectly.
Excellent. The continuous improvement is validated.
The cycle time and posture metrics are confirmed. Looks good. Keep up the safe work.
Control room, this is Engineer B. Sequence complete, all pressures stable. System reset confirmed, awaiting acknowledgement.
The steel coil batch matches the VIN sequence.
Confirmed. Archiving the ledger snapshot now. The levels are stable at 75 decibels now.
7.5.
Compliance logged.
Attention all personnel, this is a simulated emergency drill. Evacuate the red zone immediately.
Confirmed. Red zone evacuation in progress.
Everything is within tolerance. Confirmed on the tablet.
Yes, the stability graph is perfectly flat. Logging complete.
Morning brief, everyone. Focus on safety today. And look here, our quality targets for the Revo assembly are now green. Excellent work. Let's maintain this standard. This adjustment to the welding sequence reduced our cycle time by 5%.
Okay, I'm marking it as implemented.
The data confirms it. Quality metrics are up.
Look at the reading on the seam gap analysis here.
Adjusting the focus now. Okay, save the profile.
The new route is active. Inventory levels stabilizing.
Confirmed. We are back to green across the board.
Strength forged through precision. The culmination of disciplined engineering.
This data confirms the takt time improvement in the body shop.
The standardized workflow is clearly effective. We should proceed with the rollout.
Agreed. Measurement integrity confirmed.
Releasing the body for downstream.
The spectrophotometer allows us to measure the ADE color variance, ensuring consistency across every batch.
AGV-12 is hitting the window now. Buffer levels holding steady.
Run validated. Flawless synchronization.
At the port of export, every Hilux Revo undergoes a rigorous pre-ship inspection, ensuring disciplined precision before loading.
Deck 4, lane 3 is clear. Send the next gray unit up.
Roger that. Moving now.
Pay close attention to the drivetrain installation. The standardized specifications for the propeller shaft alignment are critical for global consistency.
Terminal 1, ETA confirmed.
Rail yard reports alignment green.
Distribution hub ready for release.
Southeast Asia allocation complete. Ready for release sequencing.
Confirmed. The matrices look correct.
Initiating synchronization.
System updated.
Idle stabilized within limits.
Confirmed. Marking as pass.
All configurations confirmed. Locking the orders now.
Acknowledged. The freeze is successful.
Station 4, clear.
Station 5, green. Main line engaged.
The ppm defect rate is now within target.
Confirmed on the audit review.
Good. Log the approval for the next phase.
Throughput is optimized. We are seeing 0 bottlenecks in the clear coat stage.
Confirmed. The adjustments to the conveyor speed worked perfectly.
Torque set to 25 Newton meters. Readout is stable.
Locked and tagged. Calibration complete. Torque traces and software versions verified, Supervisor. Ready for closure.
Confirmed. VIN closed.
Precision manufacturing, built for endurance. The ultimate closing montage.